Next problem in the projections of straight lines. A straight line PQ 70 mm is making an angle 30 degrees to the HP. The end P is locating at a distance 15 mm in front of VP and 25 mm above HP. So by taking a front view 45 mm, so we have to find out the projections and find out the angle inclination with VP. So this is the conditions he given. So as per the data, so first of all construct basic terms, that is X, Y reference line. So initially end P locating at a distance 15 mm in front of VP, 25 mm above HP. So 15 mm in front of VP, 25 mm above HP. Above HP 25 mm. So here this is at 25 mm. So in front of VP 15 mm. So these two are the end points. So this is a P dash, this is small p. So 70 mm length, this true length is 70 mm he given, front view he given 45 mm. Now so here P dash as a center, draw 70 mm inclined line making an angle 30 degrees with HP. So from here to with angle inclination 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees angle inclination. So this is the true length 70 mm. True length 70 mm up to here. So here draw one locus line, that is AB. Draw a locus line AB. So P dash, this is a, so for example, so what is the top view, front view given 45 mm. Take 45 mm with compass. Now here to 45 mm cut the locus line. So for example, this is a locus line from here to 45 mm. So we will get compressed front view P dash Q dash. So this is Q1 dash. Okay, so like this way you will get final front view and true length front view. So by using these two we can find out remaining also. Okay, so whatever the angle inclination we got, this is called alpha with final compressed front view. So after getting that, so one thing is confirmed that from true length to we can find out the compressed length, from compressed length to we can find out the true length. So here this is the compressed length, P center, this distance, that means end, radius, this point center, this distance as a radius, draw arc up to the this horizontal reference line. Now here to project vertical. Project vertical. One thing is confirmed that, so here this final front view and final top view will get in a single straight line. Okay, so what is the true length? 70 mm. Take 70 mm true length with compass. Now here P and 2 cut this line. Somewhere it is going to cut like this, somewhere. So this is P, this is Q1. Okay, so whatever the angle inclination we got, that is a required angle inclination with VP. So that is a required angle inclination with VP. So nearly you will get 50 degrees angle inclination. By measuring we comes to know it will get around 50 degrees. So after getting this end point, so here to draw a locus line, that is called CD. So from this true length to we can find out the compressed length also. That means this true length project downwards up to here, Now P center, this distance arc. This arc touches the locus line somewhere. By joining these two, we will get compressed top view. So this is P, this is Q, this is Q1. So this is Q2. So here also same, P dash, Q dash. So this is Q1 dash, this is Q2 dash. Okay, so whatever the angle inclination we got, this is beta. So finally, this final compressed view and final compressed top view. So these two we will get in a single straight line. So this is the angle inclination with VP. We can get nearly 50 degrees. So this is the method to find out the projections and angle inclination with VP if we given a top front view. So this value he given, what is the value here? So this is 45 mm. So this true length we know, that is a 70 mm.